Tired of staring at the dull empty backyard every single weekend morning? Welcome back to Luxury Home Decor, where small budgets meet big style. In the next few minutes, you will discover 12 patio ideas that completely change the way your outdoor space looks and feels. No expensive contractors, no heavy machines, and no fancy materials needed. Grab a coffee, get comfortable on the couch, and let us begin this makeover journey.
Number 1. Pallet patio setups. Wooden pallets are often tossed out behind warehouses and stores for free. Yet these humble crates can build you an entire patio from floor to roof. Start by laying them flat side by side as your main wooden floor base. Want seating? Stack two together, drop a cushion, wrap it with soft fabric. Need greenery? Stand one upright and stuff every gap with soil and herbs. A swing, a coffee table, a privacy wall, or even a small backyard bar. One material, 10 possibilities, and almost $0 out of your pocket. Number 2. Gravel and stone patios. Picture walking barefoot across soft crunching pebbles on a quiet morning. That is the magic of a gravel patio. And it costs surprisingly very little. Pea gravel spread 2 inches thick drains rainwater and stays clean always. Drop flat stepping stones across it to guide guests toward the seating area. For extra charm, build a small fire pit circle using large flat stones. Mix white and dark river rocks in patterns for a designer landscaped feel. Finish the edges with bricks or wooden logs to keep everything perfectly tight. Number 3. DIY fire pit lounges. There is something deeply nostalgic about gathering around a crackling fire. Conversations get longer, laughter feels warmer, and phones somehow disappear. The cheapest way to recreate this magic is by stacking cinder blocks in a ring. 2 layers high, no glue or cement needed, and the fire pit is fully ready. Surround it with log stumps, Adirondack chairs, or even old benches you own. Toss a metal grate on top for grilling corn, burgers, or melting marshmallows. A few solar lanterns nearby and your lounge becomes a true evening favorite. Number 4. String light ambience. Nothing transforms a patio faster than the soft golden glow of string lights. It is the difference between a regular yard and a magical outdoor cafe scene. Zigzag them overhead from wall to create a beautiful glowing canopy. No walls to hook into. Just fill 2 buckets with concrete and add tall posts. Solar versions need zero wiring and switch on automatically every single evening. Edison bulbs feel sophisticated, while fairy lights in mason jars feel rustic. Pick one style, hang it tonight, and watch your patio truly come alive. Number 5. Container and vertical garden patios. Small patio with no ground space for a proper garden. Go upward instead. Vertical gardening lets you grow a forest of plants on just one tiny wall. Mount painted tin cans on a wooden board for a fresh kitchen herb station. Hang baskets of trailing ivy or colorful petunias from the pergola above. Old buckets, broken colanders, even pairs of boots work as quirky planters. Stack large pots in decreasing sizes to build a tall corner plant tower. The result feels lush, expensive, and incredibly photogenic from every angle. Number 6. Outdoor rug and cushion corner. Here is a designer secret most people completely miss when styling a patio. A single large outdoor rug instantly defines the space like a proper room. Skip the bulky chairs and replace them with big floor cushions in a circle. Boho lovers should layer patterned rugs with tasseled cushions and earth tones. For a Moroccan feel, stack 2 rugs together and add poofs with bold prints. Sew your own covers from leftover curtains, old throws, or pretty fabric scraps. Stick to one consistent color palette and everything looks expensive together. Number 7. DIY pergola or shade sail. Shade, structure, style, and serious privacy. A pergola delivers all 4 at once. 4 wooden posts connected with horizontal slats on top is the basic formula. Prefer something lighter and tropical? Bamboo poles work beautifully and cost less. For modern minimalists, a triangle shade sail between fence posts is perfect. Drape sheer outdoor curtains across the beams for a romantic, dreamy effect. Plant fast-climbing jasmine at the base. And within months nature builds your roof. You get cool shade, sweet fragrance, and stunning beauty all from one clever setup. Number 8. Repurposed furniture patio. One person's trash truly is another person's stunning patio centerpiece. That old car tire. Wrap it in rope, add a cushion, and you have an ottoman. A wooden cable spool from any hardware store becomes a fantastic round table. Got an old door lying in the garage? Place it on cinder blocks for a long bench. Lean a broken wooden ladder against the fence and hang plants from each rung. An old bicycle painted bright white with flowers in the basket becomes pure art. Repurposing saves money, reduces waste, and gives your patio a unique soul. Number 9. Mini Outdoor Kitchen Bar Nook. Imagine grilling burgers while guests sip drinks just one step away from you. That is the joy of having a small outdoor kitchen or bar nook on your patio. Cinder blocks stacked in an L shape with a grill grate become a proper station. Roll an old bar cart out and you instantly have a movable outdoor drink station. A chalkboard wall lets you write today's menu and adds a fun cafe personality. Mount a shelf nearby to organize tongs, spices, oil, and outdoor condiments. Plant fresh basil and rosemary beside it for instant cooking ingredients always. Number 10. Water feature on a budget. Close your eyes and listen to the gentle trickling sound of moving water. Instantly calming, isn't it? You can have this exact feeling in your own patio. Stack 3 terracotta pots, run a pump through the center, and water flows down. Solar fountain pumps work beautifully with absolutely no wires or electricity bills. Convert an old clawfoot bathtub into a mini pond with water lilies and goldfish. A floating candle bowl with fresh flowers needs no pump but looks absolutely stunning. Even one small fountain corner can shift the entire mood of your backyard space. Number 11. Cozy hammock or swing zone. Honestly, no patio feels truly complete without at least one swinging spot. 2 strong trees in your yard. Tie a rope hammock between them in 10 minutes. Without trees, build a simple A-frame stand from 4 thick wooden beams. A rattan egg chair hanging from the pergola looks stunning and saves floor space. Couples will love a wide double hammock that fits 2 people lying side by side. Place a small crate nearby for your drink, book, candle, and weekend snacks. Add string lights above and the hammock becomes your favorite hideaway always. Number 12 Themed Patio Makeover. Here is a small pro tip that separates random patios from magazine-worthy ones. Pick one clear theme and let every detail follow it, from rugs to flower pots. Boho means macrame hangings, dried pampas, rattan, and warm earthy color tones. Tropical brings banana plants, bamboo chimes, and bright turquoise resort vibes. Coastal works with white and blue everywhere, rope details, driftwood, and shells. Farmhouse rustic loves weathered wood, galvanized buckets, and mason jar lights. One bold theme makes even budget items look intentional, curated, and expensive. Conclusion. So which of these 12 ideas felt like the perfect match for your backyard? Maybe the pallet sofa, the fire pit lounge, or that dreamy hammock corner?